Life is a winding road.
Hi, we're Meredith and Emmie, and we're travelling around Australia in our self-renovated motorhome. Welcome to another Chronicle.
Won't stop for traffic lights.
Welcome back to another Chronicle. This week we're going to take you firstly to Cethana Dam, a beautiful location, and also then Preston Falls. The water wasn't flowing that good, but it still looked pretty good. Lilico Penguins is a great donation site to go and see the penguins come in. Leven Canyon, a brutal walk, brilliant place, and Gday Falls, my favourite waterfall so far, and an amazing spot called Katawatha Arch. You must stay tuned to the end for that one. Cethana Dam is part of the Mercy Forth hydroelectric power stations. It's one of 7 of them. Pretty amazing place. I had some lovely footage, but you have to ask Emmie where it is because I've not found it.
Sometimes we're crashing down.
Admittedly, there is a lot of places you can see penguins in Tasmania. This is Lilico. It's near Forth. You'll find it. It's under Lilico. It's run by volunteers and it's a donation site. It's marvellous, really good. The red light, if you have a red light, you can use it. You can't use white light on the penguins because it frightens them. But what they do is you take the picture in the red and you convert it to a black and white image, and that's what you get. So I'll just show you what it looks like in the red footage, because obviously the guides use the torch, and you can see, look at him, he's coming up. There was about 21 of them that night, but this was actually the best footage, and he is so cute. Definitely a must for the kiddies, and yeah, just take something warm, it's real cold. Emmie has a new fan. His name is Bodhi. He's very cute. And he was just absolutely fascinated with Emmie. He just wanted to look at it. He wouldn't take his eyes off it. It was very, very cute. This was actually made, it was a gift for me, and it's adorable. I absolutely loved it. Within 30 seconds of hanging it up though, Emmie was like, "Who is this?" And then he was just kissing her. So cute. Now also, Emmie's only got a cage, but she only goes there at night when she's sleeping, and she doesn't really have a playpen as such, so I turned one of the cupboards into a playpen for her to exercise her absolute divine right to be a complete brat. And yeah, she marches around there and she plays with, you can't put balls up there, she'll throw them on your head. So she has screws up there and a disco light because, you know, she likes it, and some seeds because God forbid she go anywhere without food. Yeah, so she gets up to a few antics up there. It's quite funny. I filmed this to show you how steep the downhill was, and it doesn't really show it on the film, but let me tell you, it's steep. It is very, very steep, and it's 500 metres down, and then you've got an excruciating 500 come up, but it's well worth it. I found this monster in the forest. Look, it's a Teresa green. It looks like a fern. It plays with ferns.
Mushrooms. They're mushrooms.
Mushrooms. 430 metres to the car park and 100 metres to the bridge. Yeah, look at the size of these trees. That's insane. It's that big it doesn't have rings. Oh, it does have rings. Wow. She's foraging again. Wow, okay. You already can tell it's going to be spectacular. It smells spectacular. Oh my goodness. Where is my drone? I think I'm just going to launch you off the edge on the drone, I think. Hang on. Oh my gracious me! Oh, what? No way. Hello. I just thought I'd update you. I have been sort of off vlogging for probably a week now. The weather here has turned really bad. There's a system going through the eastern side of Australia, and it's come down to to Tasmania. So I'm really far over on the west coast of Tasmania, and I have been staying in a caravan park just for the last 3 or 4 days because the weather has been so extreme. I've brought you to somewhere really special, or at least I think it's going to be really special. So I can't kind of wait to get in there, but I thought, well, I'll just quickly update you. So no drones or anything because it's raining. But I thought, well, while I'm vlogging this, I'll show you some other things that I've found on the journey, and some photos are taken. There's lots of bridges and overpasses and all sorts of good stuff, and a sinkhole that seems to be full of frogs. The frogs were insane. So I'll show you that footage, and I'll leave this piece where I am now to the last, because I think it's going to be the standout. Okay, so have a good one. See you soon. This is the tarmac. There's a combination of the rain and the sun, or the lack of it, and I guess all the oil slicks or whatever from cars. Look how pretty it is. And if you hold it up there, you start to lose it. See, you can't see it anymore. Isn't it pretty?
Never could have been thinking I would know what the future bring. All the highs and lows, said I'm gonna win, though the world might spin. Now I'm sitting here like I'm no one. It rains down on me, all the phone calls I'm ignoring. See, I'm a mess, just trying to guess my way through this. Just don't get enough of me.
We must be almost there, because this is now, look, it's opening up to some sort of rock. You know, you can't see what I can see. I tell you what, people wonder if giving all this footage to people just stops them coming because they can see it. I tell you, you can't capture it. It's an indicative idea, that's all you get. I wish I could fly my drone through here. What? Oh, what? Here's the arch. Look at this. Check this out. We're in the arch, I think. Wow. Oh, please. Look. No, this camera is not going to do any good for this film. It is not going to show you how beautiful this is. Okay, I'm going to put you away to climb down. Look at that. That's insane. Isn't that beautiful? If you turn around, that's what you get. Phew. This is so beautiful. I must do, people, because I can't capture how stunning this is. I just can't. Just look at the cliff, the rock. It's quite incredible.
Weren't even problems at all. Just don't get enough from me. Weren't even problems at all. Just don't get enough from me. Weren't even problems at all. Just don't get enough from me.
once again, a big thank you for watching the channel. Please feel free to hit the like button or subscribe or the notifications, you know the deal. Yeah, so the standout that week was Tarkine Arch and Guide Falls. Put it on a must list. Next week we're going to take you to some free camps. This is Lake McIntosh. Yes, I said free. Stitt Falls was amazing. Another free camp at a golf club in Rosebery. Then it was the massive hike to Montezuma Falls, and then yeah, I decided to show you Montezuma again. Gee, aren't I generous? Oh, and the West Coast Wilderness Railway, what a treasure. Absolutely do. See you next Friday. Okay guys, have a wonderful week.